Adding a Visa gift card to Venmo is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To add a Visa gift card to Venmo, simply follow the process I'm going to tell you. So, first of all, check the balance of your card. Then, open up the Venmo app on your phone. After that, go to your settings from the app and tap to add a card from the settings. Then you have to enter the card number and its details, such as its expiration date, security code, zip code, and also toggle on Add as your backup payment option. Once you're done, click on Add your card. Once your bank account is added and verified in Venmo, you can transfer funds from your bank to your Venmo account as needed. This allows you to use your gift card funds for Venmo payments and transfers. Additionally, remember that Venmo may charge fees for certain transactions, so be aware of any associated costs.